my channel. So for today, we are playing a game. Are you guys ready for this game? We are playing Are You Smarter Than a 5th Grader? But we're doing a little plot twist, okay? If I can't answer these questions, your girl's gonna have to drink. And I'm excited. I got my favorite wine here. So we're gonna see if I'm smarter than a 5th grader. You guys ready? Let's get it.
First question. The first day of the 20th century was?
What? You're gonna have to repeat it. What did you say?
The first day of the 20th century was?
First day of the 20th century. The girl's gonna have to drink on this one. It's like a year? Let's say a year?
Oh my God. No. January 1st, 1901.
January 1st, what'd you say?
1901 started the 20th century.
I don't think I'm gonna be smarter than a 5th grader. It's okay, it's okay. We're gonna pour it. Ooh, it smells good. You guys ever try Stella Rose? It's good. All right, let's go to the next one.
If you cut a quarter into thirds, how many pieces would you have?
4, right?
3.
Guys, these are 1st grade questions. I am shocked at myself. I'm not slow. I think I'm just having a little rough day, but it's all good. It's all good.
So the answer is 3. So a third, 1/3, 3.
Bro.
1/4 will be 4 pieces.
Don't ask me where I went to school at. Second. I'll be drunk after this.
Number 3, if I have 5 apples and you have 4 apples, how many more apples do I have?
1, right?
Ding, 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 ding.
Guys, I'm an overthinker, so I was like, wait, is there 1? But yes, got it right.
Question 4, how many states made up the United States before Alaska and Hawaii joined?
I'm gonna have to guess on this one. I'm gonna say 32.
So honey, listen, before Alaska and Hawaii, how many states are there?
Look, I don't know.
You don't know how many states there are? Nayeli, there are 50 states.
Oh God, yeah.
There are 50 states, sis.
50 states.
And so if you take away 2, that's 48. Go ahead and take that drink, sis.
You guys are probably like, oh my gosh. I don't know. If you guys know where I went to school at, you guys will know. It's a little town, so.
Number 5. What makes a square a square?
They're angles. It's angles, right? The box, the angles, the 4 angles.
Okay, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Yes, 4 equal sides.
4 equal sides.
So I'm gonna give that one to you because you had it. You had it.
I was like.
All right. Number 6. Out of the fractions below, which is the greatest? 3/20, 3/9, or 3/5?
You said 3/20, 3/9.
Or 3/5. Which one is the greatest?
3/20.
No, that's actually the smallest, honey.
And you said 3/9 or 3/5, so it has to be 3/5.
Yes.
Dang it.
But take that shot, honey.
Dang it! Look, guys, your girl's already feeling it. Whew. Let's see if I can last.
Okay, one more 1st grade question.
Okay.
Which farm animal completes the sentence below? A father blank is called a boar.
Father blank is called a father.
No, a father blank is called a boar. So which farm animal completes that sentence? A father blank is called a boar.
I'm gonna have to guess a sheep, a goat.
The answer is pig. A father pig is a boar.
What's a boar?
It's basically a male pig.
I've never heard that.
It got the tusks.
I've never heard of boar. I know what a marano is. These are some hard questions. Okay guys, we are going to second grade questions. I did pretty bad on the first question, or the first grade questions. Now we're gonna see about these second grade questions.
On a class field trip, there are 4 buses taking 36 students to the zoo. Each bus has the same number of students. How many students are on each bus?
Oh, that's like a word
So listen,
problem.
so if there's 36 students on 4 different buses, how many students are on each bus, to sum it up? If there's 36 students on 4 different buses, how many buses?
So I would have to divide
Nayeli Carbajal. What is your middle name?
I don't have one.
Nayeli Carbajal. On a class field trip, there are listen, there are 4 buses.
Okay.
And there's 36 students in total. How many students are on each bus?
Bro, you would have to divide. I don't know if it's alcohol, if it's really mean, but bro, what the heck?
Let's try it one more time. There's 4, okay, count out 4 buses.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 buses. And there's 36 students in total.
6 people.
How many students are on each bus?
So would I 36?
Okay, so no. You said divide already. So how would you do it?
I would divide the 36 to 4, right?
Okay, so do that.
I need my phone.
Okay, Nayeli. And it's 9 students, sis. It's 9 students.
Yeah, 9 times 4 is 36, bro.
Go ahead and take a gulp out of that one.
My mom's gonna be so disappointed.
If your mom buys 52 grapes and your dad brings home 34 grapes, how many grapes does your family have in total?
Oh, so 36 plus 34, right?
52 grapes.
Okay, 52 grapes plus 34, you said?
Yes. How much is that?
I'm gonna be a little catchy.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Wait, 52 plus 32, you said plus
34.
86.
Oh my God. You're supposed to do that without the calculator, ma'am.
But that's why the
Okay, we'll give you that one right. We'll give you that right because you know how to solve it at least. What number is the Roman numeral XVI?
XVI?
Second graders know this.
What? 8?
Well, it was close.
9?
16.
That is not close.
Yes, 16. So 8 times 2. You were almost there.
Oh, Lord.
Well, you failed the second grade round.
Now we're going to the 3rd grade questions. Let me see how I do. Because apparently your girl can't pass 1st or 2nd grade.
How many minutes are in half an hour?
60, right?
You answered that with so much confidence. Half an hour, Nayeli?
That's crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna give it to you one more time because I think
crazy?
you answered that too fast.
You know what's crazy? I was 12th in my class. Like, that's crazy. Like, I was almost top 10. And these questions are like...
How many minutes are in half an hour? Half an hour.
120? 120?
Nayeli. How many minutes are in an hour?
60, right?
So half that hour is how many?
So it'd be 30. Wait,
Thank you. Drink, but you still gotta drink, sis. This is easier than the first grade question.
I don't know what's wrong with me today. Guys, I'm sorry to disappoint you guys. I'm not that bright. I thought I was. I don't think so. These questions, oh Lord.
Question 2. When writing out a fraction, the numbers above and below are what?
Numerator and denominator.
Boom! Okay, ding ding ding.
I got that one right.
You got that one right, honey. Okay, question 3.
Okay.
If it's 5:30 when you leave for the store and 6:15 when you get there, how long did it take you?
30 minutes? Like 35 minutes?
No. But you were close. Go ahead and take that drink.
What?
It was 45 minutes.
Oh Lord Jesus.
You were 10 minutes off. You ready for a multiplication problem?
Oh, yeah, I got my calculator.
No. What's 25 times 3?
75.
Yay! Okay. How many grams are in 1,000 kilograms?
Okay, this one I don't know.
Me.
Grams and 1,000 kilograms, you said?
Think big. That's your
I'm
hint.
gonna say 526.
Well, that was too small. It's 1 million.
Oh Lord. Before we move to 4th grade, look, before we move to 4th grade questions, let me take this last sip. Now I gotta pour some more. Alright. You guys ready? Let's go.
If a train leaves the station and travels at 60 miles per hour, how much time will have passed when it arrives at a station 300 miles away?
Look, these word problems, or whatever you want to call them, oh Lord Jesus. 60, he's going 60 miles per hour.
How much time will have passed when it arrives at a station 300 miles away?
So what I do 300 miles away times 60?
Just take a shot, sis. Take the
I
drink.
can't answer this one.
It's 5 hours or 300 minutes.
Bro. Oh God.
91 times 2.
You said 91 times 2?
Uh-huh.
182? Your girl's good at math. Well, not math. What was it? Multiplication.
Okay,
The other math is.
she good at multiplication. We'll give her that.
That's it.
Interior angles of a triangle always sums to.
Oh, I know this. I think I'm overthinking this one. 180? No. It is? It is? It is? There you go. 180. I was thinking too much about it.
23 times 4.
23 times 4? 23 times 4? Wait, was 2 times 4? Oh God! 23 times 4? Oh, what is 3 times 4? My mind went blank.
92.
3 times 4 is
12.
12. I'm tripping.
Take that
I'm
drink.
tripping. Oh.
And the last question for 4th grade. 23.4 plus 16.2.
23.4 plus 16.
0.2.
What was the first one?
23.4 plus 16.2.
Okay, 6. Point, what was the other two?
23 and 16.
9. And what was the other 20? 39 point, what was the other two?
39 point what?
What was the last?
4 and 2.
6.
Okay. You know what? Next time that's gonna be an ant, but we'll give it to you this
There
time.
was too many numbers in my head like this, floating around. Okay, now we're gonna go to The 5th grade questions. Guys, I feel very tipsy, so all the questions Aaron's telling me is like, and my mouth is like, I'm a lightweight, so guys, anything I drink is gonna get me drunk like this. So I feel it. So let's go to these questions.
A hexagon has how many sides?
6.
Ding, 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 ding. 141 times 2.
141 times 2. 282. See.
It looks like these 5th grade questions are easier than 1st grade for me. If you need 1/2 cup of flour and you only have a 1/4 measuring cups, how many times do you need it to get the 1/2?
See, I forgot the numbers. By the time you finish, I forget the numbers.
If you need 1/2 cup of flour and you only have 1/4, how many 1/4s is it gonna take to get 1/2?
2.
That's 3 out of 3, sis.
Okay.
That's 3 out of 3.
Okay.
If a football field is 100 yards long, how many feet long is the football field?
Oh, I should call BJ for this one. You said what?
If a football field is 100 yards long, how many feet long is the football field?
2 feet.
Whoa, go ahead and take that drink because you're way off and you ain't gonna get it. It's 300 feet.
Oh, yeah.
And last question.
Okay.
34 times 20.
34 times 20. 60. 34 times 20, you said? 680.
Okay, you got it at the last minute. Oh, you lucky.
Oh, okay.
So it looks like you're smart enough to be a 5th grader, but unfortunately you're not smart enough to be a 1st through 4th grader.
I don't know what happened with those questions. Honestly, they felt harder than the 5th grade questions. They really did. So I was pretty surprised. I think it was just like the word questions. That's the one where I was like, huh? Okay guys, so I just answered all these math questions, and honestly, I think the 5th grade questions were easier than 1st, 2nd. Did you do 3rd? I cannot. Okay, I think we just did 1st, 2nd, and 4th questions. I don't even remember. Look guys, I do not remember, but it's okay. I can just rewatch the tape, and it's okay. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Yeah, the 5th grade questions were pretty easier than the other ones. I think the word problems were just confusing. Like, I just didn't remember what she said when she got to the end of the sentence. So, it's all good. But before we get, hold on.
She's drunk, y'all. She's drunk. Give her a second. She's drunk off of 1 cup.
Oh. How many letters am I on now?
3.
I'm on 3 letters?
Boo!
What
Because you didn't know.
3 letters.
Okay. Anyways, guys, make sure to like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Girl's channel. On the road to 60K. I think that's about it because your girl is drunk off of 1 cup. Can you believe that? 1 cup. I'm a lightweight. It's all good. It's all good. It's hot in here. Okay, let me know down below in the comments if you like this video so your girl can do more. Till next time, bye!